We'll guide you through how to get support for Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gmail website on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and click on the Help icon, which looks like a question mark inside a circle. This will open the Help Center. In the Help Center, you can search for common issues by typing your problem into the search bar. For more specific help, scroll to the bottom of the Help Center page and you'll see the option to contact us. Click on that, and you'll be presented with different categories, like can't send or receive emails, or account recovery. Choose the category that best matches your issue. After selecting a category, you may see some suggested articles that could solve your problem. If none of these articles help, continue by clicking on Next Step at the bottom. You'll then be given options to either chat with a support agent, email support, or request a phone call, depending on availability. If you choose to chat, you'll be connected to an agent in real time who can assist you with your problem. If you choose to email, make sure to include all relevant details in your message for the quickest resolution. For immediate assistance, the phone call option is often the quickest way to get help. Remember, the support options available can vary depending on your location and the type of account you have. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.